Event production plan. That's something we all know, right? Event planning should always include our idea for delivering our event design. That's how we do what? In other words, making up our production plan, a plan we eventually run or share to others for making things happen, the work that is done during preparation and implementation phases of event project. It's likely and also desired that our production plan will improve a lot during these phases, as discussions go deeper with suppliers, partners, people and others. But the structure shall always remain. It makes no sense to make changes just for the joy of changing things. As we know, the external operational environment does this on our behalf anyways, like we've seen in this COVID period. Composing a production plan means combining resources we need to things we like to do and vice versa. So we connect our event inventory and the things we need to get to our event design and vice versa. The process for doing this is simple. We script. By definition, a script is a written version of a play, of a stage, of a movie, for example. For me, a play equals a step of our event design. And my script includes listing all items of space, staff, and support service we need for a production of a specific step to meet its target outcome. At the same, I write down all essential information regarding these to help our preparation and implementation big time. The process I usually work while setting up a production plan goes like this. 1. I select my steps to plan. I usually plan similar steps at the same time. Then 2, I review the target outcome and other written information, notes and files out of steps. When planning a production of any part of the event, it's essential to understand always first why and then what we are doing. 3, then I connect space items required for a script or step. These items might already have in our inventory, or those might be something we need to get. At the same, keep essential information for preparation and implementation, such as time of use, cost estimates, and other remarks important for your event implementation. Then I add staff items, also called products, required for a script or a step. Similar to space items, at the same, estimating and writing down how many items are required, time of use, intended use, cost estimates, and some other remarks important. Then I add staff items, that's jobs, or if I have appointed persons. Do the same thing and give information about the personnel required, job description, job requirements, time active, costs, and some other remarks. And finally, I add support service items, suppliers, freelancers, professionals we need, with essential information for preparation implementation, such as tasks to be done, time frame, cost estimates, and other remarks. And that's it. That's all information I include to my production plan. The process is simple, but of course there are quite many details to think. But when planning in small parts consistently, the outcome is remarkable, I promise. It's a production plan that is easy to adjust, easy to share, and includes all information we need for getting things done during our event projects. I like this approach a lot.